time for math. Today for math, we're doing a review and extra practice on just focusing on subtracting. So remember, subtraction means to take away. So when you see the minus sign, it means that we are taking away. I'm going to model two problems on my whiteboard before then I show you the worksheet that you are going to be completing today. So let's read our problems. I'm going to show you how I would solve this using manipulative, so any type of counters that you have at home, and if you don't have any counters, how we will draw it out. So our problem says 12 minus 6 equals. So my first number tells me how much I'm going to start off with. And I'm going to show you by using counters first that I will draw it out. So I have to put out 12 counters. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 counters, minus 6. So my second number in my problem tells me how many counters I need to take away. So I have to take away 6 counters from my group of 12. So I'm going to take away 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to count and see how many counters I have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that 12 minus 6 equals 6. Now I'm going to show you how, if you do not have counters at home, how we're going to draw it out. So I'm going to start off by drawing out 12 circles. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 circles here. Now I'm going to cross off 6 of my circles, because 12 minus 6. Our second number tells us how many we're going to take away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 minus 6 equals 6. Now let's go over to our last problem that I'm going to be modeling. Our last problem says 9 minus 8. So 9 take away 8. First I'm going to draw it out. So my first number tells us how many I'm going to start off with. So I'm going to start off by drawing 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 8. So my second number tells me how many I'm going to take away. Remember, when we see the minus sign for subtraction, subtraction means to take away. So now I'm going to take away or cross off 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to count to see how many circles I have left over. So how many circles do not have a cross through it? And that's 1. So 9 minus 8 equals 1. Now I'm just going to demonstrate that with counters. So I'm going to put out 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 8. Remember, so now minus to take away. I'm taking away 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm seeing how many I have left over, and that is 1. Just like I have here. So 9 minus 8 equals 1. So now the worksheet that you're going to be doing for today is titled Secret Subtraction Word Puzzle Spring. And this is found in your packet. It has, your first problem is 11 minus 4. So you're going to solve each of these subtraction problems, and then you're going to use the key to find the secret word. So whatever the sum is, you're going to have to follow the key here. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. That's fine. As long as you just practice these 20 problems of subtraction. So remember, subtraction means to take away. So the first number in your problem tells you how many you're going to start off with. Your second number, right here after the minus sign, tells you how many you are taking away. Okay? Remember, you're looking for the secret subtraction word puzzle, which is spring, in your packet, and the first problem is 11 minus 4. When you're done completing your subtraction worksheet, you can have an adult or a parent or an older sibling send me a picture so I can see your work. Remember, subtraction to take away. It's only subtraction that we're practicing today. So you need to remember, your first number tells you how many you're starting off with. Your second number tells you how many you are taking away. If you have counters at home, use your counters. If you don't have counters, draw it out like I did here. You can use the back of your paper, or you can get a piece of scrap paper or a blank piece of paper to help you solve the problems. After you're done with math, it's going to be time for life skills. In life skills today, you're going to be watching a Brain Pop Junior video with the link is at the bottom about your heart. There's also going to be, after you watch the life skills video on Brain Pop Junior about your heart, there's also going to be a small exercise video that you can complete. So that is going to be it for today, everybody, and I'll see you all tomorrow for day 32 in our packet, and also for our class Zoom meeting at 10 tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone.